평로봐.
Are we that bad at what?
We're the only ones.
Oh shit! Oh shit! Hold on. Two cars were just drag racing cars.
Sponsored by Pepsi, sponsored by Beats by Dre, sponsored by Cash App, sponsored by
Jesus.
Fellows. We got sneakers, we got ice cream, we got Timberlands, we wrote a book, we damn, we did a lot. We are. Stop, Sky.
Nu!
Lasă.
N-ai suftă, bă?
Șurubele, lasă.
Gata, sunt 6, ce zic.
Lasă.
Aia ce înseamnă? Viteză, nu?
Wow, don't you love whenever big SUVs get stuck? And then your little compact fucking Toyota Corolla with a donut can fucking manhandle this hill like it's nothing? Oh, fuck. So much for nothing!
No pasa ni en pedo.
that green chink, I need my stacks. Riding in the floor, need a floor. Got my Uchis in the Julie, kick the ride, it's your boy. Hit the bar.
What are you videoing it? What is she doing?
Sir, did she hit your car?
Yeah, they kicked my car.
Okay.
We have a picture of the license plate.
No. She beat the shit out of my car. Kicked my car.
Oh my God, Beth.
I know, I'm videotaping this shit.
Dad, look at this shit.
It's not us. We're
she
good.
Hit his car. She hit his car, and now they're driving like this. Beth, get away, get away!
Micah!
But no movement here. So let's see what's happening here. Now a little bit of movement. Looks like perhaps pulling. And look at that close-up shot of the bumper. And we got our first shot of the suspect there in the driver's side. Unclear if it's a male or female. Now getting agitated.
Oh my
Boom!
goodness.
Just another hit. Bam!
Oh my goodness.
Wow!
Look at these innocent
and these
drivers
people have
here.
no idea what's going on.
Gosh.
There, and that's a law. That looks like a law enforcement sedan right there, trailing him. That's an unmarked vehicle right there. Look at, you see that?
Yes.
And they're trailing this suspect. So dangerous here. Diamond Bar Boulevard, 60 miles an hour through moderate to heavy congestion. Bam! Oh.
All of these innocent drivers. At this point, Rick, okay, boxed in here. So now we have another collision.
Door open, back door passenger side open.
Here she comes. Here she comes. Okay, and is she going to...
just walking out, just casually, and here they come.
Okay, and they...
Or wait, is that...
Oh my God, is that a child?
That was a
Whoa.
child, and we believe that there was that was a small child there, and we believe that it was just the driver.
Oh man. Okay,
Wow.
now they're pulling this driver out. Wow, a child was in there that whole time.
Did I want...